Hey there, YouTube family. Happy Sunday. This is Stocks with Crypto Josh, because today I have to talk about the rocket ship that is Polygon Matic. Man, this is the only coin that's not been participating in crypto winter. Everything has been 80 to 90% down except for Matic. It's been the best performing coin in the top 100 cryptos. Larry and I talked with you guys about Matic over on his channel on May 12th when the price was 47 cents. It's currently trading at 76 cents. That's a 66% pop. So why is Matic performing so well? Well, basically, these guys emerged as the winners of the whole Luna crash. The developers over on Terra Luna have chosen to migrate their projects over to Polygon. More than anything else, to me, this proves the value of the Polygon network as well as its core technology. It is proven now to attract Web3, gaming, and NFT projects. It wouldn't even shock me if the pop that we're seeing in Ethereum's price has in some way been contributed to by Polygon's success. For a fact, Matic's price action has been stealing Bitcoin and Ethereum's thunder in the cryptocurrency. I'm going to cover in this video a brief overview of exactly what makes Polygon Matic so special. We're going to cover the technical analysis. We're going to look at a good buy price right now for Polygon Matic. And at the end of the video, I'm going to be discussing what the recent success that we're seeing in Polygon Matic means for Polygon in the coming crypto bull run. And I'm also going to give you guys my revised price prediction. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that like for me. And remember that anything I say is for educational purposes. It's not a suggestion for you guys to buy or sell. And as always, there are people using my picture and my name, impersonating me in the comment section, asking you to contact them on WhatsApp, Instagram, or Telegram. Be aware it's not me. As always, the goal of my page is to take complicated stock and crypto trading topics and break them down into super easy to understand language and basically make trading accessible for everyone and anyone. If you're new, subscribe to the page. And if there's something you would like clarity on, feel free to reach out to me in the comments section. Ask me whatever question you'd like. All right, so what makes Polygon Matic special? First of all, let me break down what it does. It's a scaling solution for Ethereum. Okay, they were financially backed by Coinbase and Binance when they first launched. Its sole purpose is to further the mass adoption of all cryptocurrencies. Because Ethereum is slow and expensive to do business on, Polygon is a level 2 solution built on Ethereum so that users can send their funds on the Polygon network to make faster and cheaper transactions. There are many blockchains out there that are accused of being ghost chains. Ghost chains are basically projects that nobody's actually using. There are currently over 7,000 decentralized applications working on Polygon right now. So what are the charts projecting for Polygon ahead? I want to lay some basic ground rules to charting for those who are still learning to chart. For some, it's going to seem obvious, but trust me, trading is like trying to juggle in a whirlwind. When you have money at risk, it's so easy to get distracted and confused and even lose sight of what is the most basic thing that you should be thinking about. So what are the basics? Obviously, price. Price is the number one indicator. The long-term price trend should be going up. I know you think that's a no-brainer, but there are a lot of folks that keep buying the losers and they DCA into them. Number two, which is super important, is volume. If price is going up, but the volume is going down, that's actually called bearish divergence. In the case of Polygon, there is an increase in volume, which indicates true interest as well as market conviction. And finally, let's look at support and resistance. This is normally where the retail investor fails the most. That's when to know when to buy or sell. And I was thinking about this. It kind of reminded me of my grandpa. He was a very successful businessman who I really looked up to. He had a very dry sense of humor. So when I was young, I would go to him for life advice, and he would say things in a stoic voice like, "Well, son, buy low, sell high, marry a woman with strong calves," which would always get a laugh out of my grandma. But when I grew up, I realized that buying low and selling high is not as easy as it seems. And that brings me to my last question. where is a good buy price on Polygon right now? Since it's broken out, okay, and where might it be heading from here? I believe Polygon will come back and test its support again. That would actually validate the move. This move was like a rocket ship going up, but some of you are going to buy the top of the move because of FOMO. I'm trying to reason with you. Buy the pullback, all right? Support is right between 58 cents and 55 cents. If you trade with me, you know that we're not lump sum investing into crypto right now. We're investing weekly. I'm going to call out a lot of other influencers right now that are too afraid to buy. To me, that's foolishness. This whole timing the bottom crowd they're not doing you guys any favors. The weekly working class guy that can only afford to put in $25 to $100 a week needs to buy the entire bear winter to be able to accumulate what I call life-changing money by the next bull run. On this channel, I've consistently provided trade setups on crypto and stocks. And if you're only into crypto, you may be missing out. I love crypto, but it shouldn't be 100% of your long-term investments. And what we're going to see in the coming years is that more publicly stock traded companies are going to be embracing crypto by embracing the blockchain. And if you're only buying cryptocurrencies, you're going to miss the big boom in stocks as forward-leaning companies basically take off due to the blockchain integration. If you don't have a stock exchange, we're currently using Moomoo. We're doing a small account challenge where our goal is to move $200 to $400. Many of you have already done that with me. If you want to join in the small account challenge, then click on the link in the description of this video, sign up for Moomoo, and you can follow along. I'm going to provide trade setups on this channel with the goal of helping you to learn how to swing trade stock as well as invest. I use Moomoo because of their full 16 hours of extended trading and their 8 conditional order types like trailing stop and market if touched. In addition, they're offering more than any other exchange to new customers. Like they're doing 6 free stock for opening and funding an account and a chance up to 10 free stock valued at $25,000 for utilizing all of their promotions. There is also a link for Webull where I do my fractional share buying of value stocks, okay? All right, let's talk price prediction. I believe it is still possible to get Polygon at the low of the 30-cent range throughout the crypto winter, which we're still in, okay? That is where you're going to find your greatest long-term support. Also, I think it's possible to see a run-up right now to $1.02, okay, if the crypto relief rally continues. At a 102, you're going to see a lot of resistance, and I struggle to see it breaking through that very easily. So let's talk about possible future outcomes of Polygon. Ultimately, if more projects choose to build on Polygon than even Ethereum, could that make Polygon the true winner of all layer 1s, even though it isn't a layer 1? Could Ethereum be reduced to a utility and Polygon be where all the growth, the development, and the community begins to be built? I'd love to hear your opinion in the comments section. Is Ethereum going to flip Bitcoin and then Polygon flip ETH? Is that possible? Let me know if you love it or think that's a ridiculous thought. My future price prediction, I believe we can see a $4 Polygon Matic sometime after 2024. And so if you were able to buy $1,000 of Polygon at or around my recommended range of 55 cents on the high end, then you'd have 1,818 coins, which would then be worth 7,272. And if you acquired $1,000 at my low range of 35 cents, then you'd end up with 11,428 by the end of the next bull run. If you follow me, you know I like to have a price strategy in buying and selling, and that my discipline is to stick with it. When Matic reaches its highest price in the next bull run, there's going to be people calling it up to $10. So many won't even take profits. And likewise, those same people will tell you right now to not buy it when it's dropping to 30 cents because they'll be saying it's useless and it's going to zero. You know what I'm doing with my crypto right now. I've been averaging into these great projects. I've given you the ones that I love, and I love Matic. Don't miss out on my next crypto or stock overview. Hit that subscribe and the notification bell, And as always, I appreciate you guys letting me be part of your financial journey, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day.